to my channel for another video. If you are new here, my name is Lorena, and today I'm just going to bring you along for a home reset. Now that I am a stay-at-home mom, it does take me like a day or two to get this done, and if you know when you're a mom, there's always cleaning and tidying and resetting to do. But before Mila and when I was a teacher, I would do a really good Sunday reset, but it looks a little different now. But I am feeling like our home needs a good reset for the week, so like washing bedding, cleaning out the fridge and groceries, stuff like that, just to get a good start to the week. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and maybe get some motivation to reset a space or spaces in your home. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, if I can have a clean kitchen, then I will feel good about being able to reset everything else. So I need to put away dishes, reload the dishwasher, and I do want to wipe down the appliances. I think that's something that really just helps to start off with a good clean kitchen for the week. I'm putting away all the clean dishes first and also clearing out the island before I reload the dishwasher. Our island has sort of become a bit of a drop zone lately, which I don't like because I feel like there's just more clutter out all the time. So I need to be better about putting things away where they go right away, which is mostly our entryway closet. That's where most of the things need to go. And I do need to declutter that closet, and just in general, I need to declutter a lot of spaces in our home. Since we are moving in a couple of months, I want to make sure that I get rid of stuff that we don't want to take with us, and hopefully that just helps make moving a little bit more smooth. I usually do have a couple of dishes to hand wash, and then the rest I just put in the dishwasher, and I'll try to do this throughout the day. That way I can turn the dishwasher on at night and then have clean dishes in the morning that just need to be put away. And like I said, I really wanted to get the appliances wiped down, and our stove was one of the ones that really needed it. I'm using the Power Paste from Scrub Daddy along with a magic eraser, and then just wiping it down with some paper towels. And then for the rest of the appliances, I'm using a stainless steel cleaner, and it works great. I wiped down the stove and the dishwasher and the fridge. I didn't get to cleaning inside the fridge, but that for sure makes me feel like I am reset for the week. But it was already pretty clean. I had done it the week before, and I did have the cutest little helper cleaning along. She loves to do whatever Mama's doing, so I'll just give her a clean cloth, and she has so much fun. And Mila is a year and a half already, and it's gone by so fast, and she's just such an active and fun toddler right now, so our days are always filled with things to do. So when it comes to cleaning and tidying, I just try to get done what I can. It's not always easy, so just doing my best, even if it's just a clean kitchen and making the bed. We are just doing what we can day to day. I love this magnet for the dishwasher, just a little reminder if the dishes inside are clean or dirty, and I just got it off Amazon. And then the last thing I'm doing for the appliances is wiping down the inside of the microwave as well as the outside, and then I'm just going to wipe down the countertops. And I do have a grocery haul to share with you guys as well, and then we'll get to putting those away. Okay, we just got back from the store and I thought I would do a grocery haul of what I grabbed for the week or like week and a half. I got some fresh flowers to put here on the island, some whole milk for Mila. We are going out of town the end of next week, so I only got half a gallon. She has some already, some almond milk, and we've been really enjoying these Core Power protein drinks. I do like a matcha latte with the strawberry one, like a strawberry matcha, and I'm probably gonna do one right now. And I can show you guys. It's super easy and really good, and you get your protein. Some cottage cheese. I also have been loving adding that to my eggs, and then just some recipes for the week. I'm going to be using ground beef, some ground turkey. I got these salmons that are really easy to just put in the oven for a quick dinner. Some eggs, butter. Mila really likes these white cheddar mac and cheese. This siete taco seasoning is like a better ingredient one and really good. I use this with the ground turkey, and then I just put a can of Rotel, and it's super easy, and I make some like healthier chipotle bowls for lunch. And then I got some crackers. Mila also really likes those. I got the whole grain ones. And then some lentils. I love making lentils with carrots. Just a really good side. And then some rice. We eat a lot of rice with our meals, and we ran out, so I got a huge bag. And then some veggies and fruits. I love this chopped kale salad for like some of my lunches. I got some broccoli. The baby broccoli is my favorite. And then some fruit. I just got strawberries, blueberries, peaches, some avocados, bananas. I really love these chips. They're my favorite. The Siete brand. I got 2 different types. Some bagels. We like having these, like half a bagel in the morning with some eggs. And then just got some black beans, the Rotel to use for one of the recipes. Some avocado oil spray. I really like this one. And then some kombucha. This one is my favorite. So that is everything I grabbed for like a week, week and a half that we will be eating and using for our meals. And also we got these for dessert, some True Fruit strawberries, and then the chocolate covered bananas. And these grapes are so good. They're so sour if you like sour. These are amazing. And this is just little dessert that me and David like to have. Just needed to put the hydrangeas in a vase, which I got this one recently from Target, and I think it's so pretty. I love the shape of it and the color of the glass, as well as how thick it is. And I've been wanting to get a new glass vase for fresh flowers, and I think this one is perfect. And I'll probably have fresh flowers on the island for a few weeks before I start to decorate for fall. Then I'll switch it up. I'm not decorating for fall yet, but just the thought of it is so exciting. But for now, just sticking with some fresh flowers. Okay, I actually took them out and just did the tape grid like hack. Super easy. Just take some clear tape and then you make a grid. That way they can stay up better. They were just kind of falling over, and I want you to be able to see the vase just because it's so pretty. So I'm going to try to see if this works a little better. Another thing I really like to do in the beginning of the week that helps me really be prepared is to wash all of the berries that we'll be eating throughout the week. This helps them stay fresher a lot longer than just leaving them in the container. I just use a fruit and veggie wash from Trader Joe's and then rinse them, and I make sure that they're dry before I put them in Tupperware. And we do eat them a lot, so they go fast, but I do feel that they stay so much fresher. Okay, I'm gonna make this strawberry matcha that I was telling you guys about with the Core Power. So I just use this Peak Sun Goddess matcha. It is ceremonial grade. It's really good, and I just get some water to mix it with. So just a little bit of water. And then I have my little hand mixer. I got it from Amazon. I really like this thing. Just mix it. And then I add some ice. And then I just pour in some of this strawberry Core Power protein drink. And it is so good. And then you get a lot of protein in with the matcha. It is so yummy. So just pour that in. Sometimes I'll even cut up some strawberries to add in there. And then I usually drink it with a straw. And just mix it, and it is so good. Give me some energy, some protein, super yummy. And now that the berries are dry, I do put them in Tupperware with a paper towel, which I feel is what really helps them to stay nice and fresh. And washing our bedding is always on my to-do list to reset for the week, which on this day I just needed to wash the sheets, and I did make the bed and then put the clean sheets before we went to bed. But making the bed is something I've been also really trying to do every day. It just helps the house feel more put together. So I'm just gonna wash those and then tidy up the living room. Just doing a quick tidy of our living room downstairs. Although Mila loves to play with the pillows, so they end up on the floor a lot, but just wanted a little bit of a peace and calmness during her nap, so thought I would just organize down here and do some quick vacuuming. But throughout the day there is just lots of fun happening here, so it does get messy, and then I'll have to retidy at the end of the night, but still feels a little bit more reset and fresh when everything is vacuumed and pillows are where they belong. Okay, vacuumed the rug and put the pillows back, but honestly they will probably end up on the floor because we do play a lot in here and we just like to jump on the pillows and stuff. But I do have some baskets to put her toys in. They're kind of overflowing, but on this side we have more toys, and she has this cute little couch. My mom got her this from Pottery Barn Kids and she loves it. She loves to sit on there and take all her little stuffed animals and stuff, and we have all of her puzzles. She loves that little people house, which I actually thrifted it for $5, and at Target it's like $45, so it was like a great find. So she plays with that a lot, and we just play in general a lot in this area, so it's nice to just have it open, and I'm so excited to have a playroom in our new house. But for now, it's looking okay. And that's everything for today's video. Hope you guys got some motivation to do some resetting in your home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon on my next one.